Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve star elements program. The task is given an unsorted array. The task is to find all the star and superstar elements in the array. Star are those elements which are strictly greater than all the elements on its right side. Superstar are those elements which are strictly greater than all the elements on its left and right side. Note this one. Assume first element a of 0 is greater than all the elements on its left side, and last element a of n minus 1 is greater than all the elements on its right side. Input output I will explain with example. Here is an example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case there are two lines. First line is the number of elements. Second line is the data of elements, like this. Same way remaining test cases also. Output is, observe this first test case. This is the observing the first output is star elements. Second output is superstar elements. See this. One itself is the greater than its right. So one one is the star element. Then 2 is greater than 2 is star element because its rights are smaller than its 2. So it is also star element. 7 is the star element. 7 also star because its right elements are smaller than the 7. So it is star. But 5 is the not star. Then don't take remaining anyone, because when this, okay, remaining also those are not stars because those are smaller than the 7. That's why no star elements is exist remaining part. See this output. 7 to 1 is the star elements. By observing this, 7 is the superstar element because its right side and left side elements are smaller than the 7. So it is the superstar element. Output is 7. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. For test case, I am taking t value. For all test cases, I am using while loop with a t minus minus. In every test case, I am taking n value because number of elements. To store the data of elements, I am using an array with the size of n. By using for loop, I am taking the values of all elements. Using this function, we will get this output, star elements function, with passing two parameters. One is address of array and another one is number of elements in array. See this, what's happened. Here is the function, star elements. I am using two stock to solve this task. First one is I am using stock with a pair, int and int. It's giving variable s. Superstar element, I am using one more stock with stock pair int ss. See this. By observing star elements are greater than its right side elements are smaller than that element, that is the star element. So for that I am taking this test case. First one, last element a of n minus 1 is the greater than all the elements on its right side, so it is the star element. So that's why I am pushing the a of n minus 1 and that index value to the s dot push make pair a of n minus 1 comma n minus 1. Then I am starting the for loop with the from the ending. See this. Assume this first test case. Assume this second test case. We will see this task. Then initially it is 3. So I am pushing 5 into the s. Then I am starting traveling from n minus 2. Nothing but we are at the 6th position. 6 is, then check if condition. S of top is 5. Means S of top dot first gives the 5 value. So it is less than A of 5, 6. 5 is less than 6, it is true. Then push the 6 into S stock. So I am pushing A of I comma I index value also. Then 6 also push it into the stock. Then after I value decrements. I value 0 now. So check this. S of top is top dot first is 6 and A of I is 8. 6 less than 8 is true. Then push the 8 also into the stock. Now S dot push make pair A of I comma I. 8 also pushed with the index. Then I decremented to -1. But this condition fails, for loop stops the execution and comes to this place. T comma C equal to 0. For C is used for is superstar element exist or not. If not exist, we need to print -1. If exist, then print that value. Most only one superstar is there. So I am taking T variable for that superstar element. So I am taking this first element is A of 0 is greater than all the elements on its left side. So I am taking that element 2 into SS stock, superstar stock. Then pushing that value A of 0 comma 0. Nothing but see this. I am pushing 8 into the SS stock, superstar stock. Then check that. I am at the position I equal to 1. But check this one. SS top is 8 now. Equal to S dot top. Nothing more. We need to check the two pairs. One is this value and one more thing is its index. Index is 0 and the first one is 8. By checking both ones by using this condition. So SS top is 8 and index value is 0 and S top also 8 with index and 0 index value 0. So it is true. Then T equal to SS top first. Nothing but 8 is the superstar element. C value becomes 1 and this loop stops the execution by this break condition. Check. It is already true. Then okay, this already true. This value comes and check this C equal to 0 or not. Not 0 because it is 1. Then this block not execute. For the executing for printing the superstar element, I am using this file condition s dot empty equal to false. The superstar elements will be printed by this while loop. Count s dot top dot first. Initially 7 prints, then popped out 2 prints. Then check the condition. Then see this. Assume our stack having the 7 to 1 values. It is not empty. Then print the S of top first. 7 will be printed. Then S popped out. 7 popped out. S checks the condition. S is empty or not. Not. 2 1 is there. Then next one 2 will be printed. Then 2 also popped out. Check this. S is empty or not. Not empty. 1 is there. Then print the 1 value also. Then popped out. Stock is empty now. While loop stops the execution. Then comes to this place. One new line. Cout end line. If superstar element is exist, then T prints. T value will be 7. For this test case 8. T value is 8 now. 8 will be printed. See this. Our code is right or not by compile test. See this test case and this given example is different. To know it is correct or not, then submit. Yes, it is a correct answer with the execution time 0.04. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.